Very good morning, class 8. As we have started with this lesson, verbs tenses, chapter number 7, page number 41. Open your grammar books, and I have already explained you about this. A word that shows the action done by the subject is known as verb. So you start writing in your notebooks. First of all, write the title, write the definition, give 2 or 3 examples. Then you come the 3 tenses, right? Present, past and future. And you just write up till here. First of all, write up till here. Then verbs tenses we are talking about now. So then you write there are 3 tenses: present, past and future. And then you give one example of each. Like one example this, then one about this, one about this, one about this, one about this. So after that you can start with the means you write the present tense and keep giving one example of each. Start writing in your notebooks. I am telling about that how you have to write. Start with the definition, then give 2 examples, then you tell this that there are 3 tenses: present, past and future. Then you start writing the present tense, give one example from here, this one, and then this one, and then this one, and then this one. Give one example, this one, and then we can use the modal verbs to talk about the present action when we are not sure about the occurrence. You mention about this modal verbs. Then you come here, give one example of modals also, right? 1 or 2 examples. You can write these 2 examples also. Then you come to the present perfect, means connecting the past to the present. Give one example of present perfect also. Then come present perfect continuous. You give about this, write about this, give one example. Fine. So have you understood कि आपने कैसे लिखना है? एक टाइटल दीजिए और उनका एक एग्जाम्पल दीजिए. मैम, so here we start with the first exercise. Now I have to explain from here. Present perfect continuous. We use present perfect continuous when we are talking about something that started in the past and still goes on. तो हम प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस में हम बात करते हैं जो पास्ट में कुछ स्टार्ट हुआ था और अभी भी इट स्टिल गोज ऑन, अभी भी चल रहा है, इट्स स्टिल गोइंग ऑन. लाइक लुक हियर, वी हैव बीन लिविंग हियर सिंस 2009 मीन्स एंड वी स्टिल लिव हियर मीन्स वो 2009 से. यू हैव अ प्रॉपर, दे हैवन गिवन यू द पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. उन्होंने आपको एग्जैक्टली ईयर बता दी है, तो आपको एग्जैक्ट टाइम पता है कब से वो वहाँ रह रहे हैं, तो वहाँ पे लगेगा सिंस. वी हैव बीन लिविंग हियर सिंस 2009 मीन्स 2009 से दे हैव बीन लिविंग देयर. सो मीन्स अब पास्ट में कभी उन्होंने रहना स्टार्ट किया था एंड दे आर स्टिल लिविंग देयर. सो हियर आई हैव बीन वर्किंग एट यूनिवर्सिटी मीन्स यूनिवर्सिटी में वो अभी भी काम कर रहे हैं. For over 15 years means time is not exact. They are just telling about the length कि 15 साल उनको लगभग हो गए हैं. So when you don't have the exact time and you are saying that you have been doing that thing, you have been working there for, you don't know the exact time, you are just telling about the length of the time. So that in that sentence we use for. Is it clear? So now here since is used to express a point of time. Means आपको जब exact time दिया जाता है means 2009 आपको exactly पता चल गया कि जब से वो वहाँ रह रहे हैं. That means there you will use since. Okay. And when you don't know the exact time, they are just telling about the expressing the length of the time. 2 दिन से, 4 घंटे से, and for over 15 years. That means there we will use for word. Okay, we use word for. Now we come to the exercise. Fill in the blanks with since and for.
First is your part.
Now,
Second is
yesterday
what is
means आपको exact point of time दिया हुआ है, तो that means here it will come since.
your third one.
A short time.
From
Length of time है बच्चों, you don't know about the exact, so
Yes.
for short,
White
for a
yes to
short
white
time.
was.
थर्ड है लास्ट ईयर, सिंस लास्ट ईयर, आपको पता है लास्ट ईयर से लास्ट मंडे, सिंस लास्ट मंडे मीन्स आपको एग्जैक्टली पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम मालूम है. देन सेवरल ईयर्स, कितनी भी हो सकती हैं, तो फॉर लेंथ ऑफ टाइम है, एग्जैक्ट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम नहीं है. डैश ही ज्वाइन द स्कूल, since he joined the school means you know the exact point of time. Here since 1997 and then since Christmas, again you know the time. For many weeks, weeks can be 2, 5, so means it is they are telling about the length of the time, not the exact.
Got the apple.
The day before yesterday, since the day before,
Just
since,
saw
because
the
you know the exact point of time. I hope it is clear to you. You are quite grown up. You might have read this topic earlier also, tenses. So now we come to the exercise number 2. Fill in the blanks in the following sentences with the present perfect continuous. Present perfect, we are when we are talking about that started somewhere in the past and still going on. Then we use the present perfect continuous. The number of working women have been increasing steadily during the past few years.
Saint or married.
The number of working women
Second chance
increase,
with
they have given the verb form have been increasing. Okay.
Okay.
Now the second one, they have given the verb sing. So she has been singing for more than 2 hours. 2 घंटे से ज़्यादा हो गए हैं, वो गा रही है.
है ना, वो in
Our
complete
drama troupe,
conversation था.
rehearse दिया हुआ
When
है.
के
Our
साथ
drama
complete
troupe
था, तो इसीलिए हम
has
कहेंगे
been
Billy Fisher.
rehearsing.
और Billy ने अपना क्या दिया था? Kite.
Rehearsing.
Okay.
Then dash
This your
is
A
so
part.
hard since yesterday that all the hard rooftops have turned totally
First
white.
is
Means the snow.
A part.
It has been snowing
Second is your
so hard since yesterday means कल से इतनी heavy snowfall हो रही है कि rooftops totally white हो गई. You look sad and your eyes are bloodshot.
fourth is your C part.
Now here you look sad and your eyes are bloodshot means बहुत उदास दिख रहे हो and your eyes are bloodshot means red लग रही हैं.
Question answer.
Have you been crying?
Tomorrow we will do the question answer. Okay. Now why did Aunt Polly
Means we have to ask the question because he seems to be sad and his eyes are bloodshot also, so we have to make a form a question. All the drains are overflowing. I suppose it has been raining
and why was Tom
For a
unhappy on getting the punishment?
quite some time.
Because he was thinking that all the children will be just
Then
having a
we
fun.
come to the past tense.
And he has
Simple
to
past we know,
whitewash the
we use simple
fence.
past when we are talking about an event that happened at a particular time in the past. पास्ट में कोई
Yes.
पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे
What did
जो चीज़
Tom
जो एक्शन
offer
हुआ
to
है,
Jim?
when we are talking about that,
offer?
that means we are
He
talking
said
about
that
simple
he will
past
bring
tense.
the
We
water.
arrived home before
And
dark. हम कल डार्क होने से पहले घर आ गए थे. तो here the main verb is arrive and we have changed it to the verb past tense. Arrived. The film started at 11:30. 11:30 पे start हुई थी कल. Okay. So when we are talking about that continued for some time in the past, जो past में continue रही है काफी time के लिए, then also we use the past tense. That is everybody worked hard through the winter. Means throughout winter, पूरी winters में everybody worked hard. Now, so this thing was, this action was continued for some time. So there also we use the past, simple past. We stayed with our friends in Dubai. So for some time you stayed there in the past. So that again we are using the past tense, simple past tense. Something that happened several times, जो बहुत बार हुआ है past में. Most evenings we stayed at home and watched DVDs. तो हमने mostly क्या किया? We stayed at home.
Precious activity है.
and watched DVDs.
नहीं मिलती है,
Sometimes they went out for meal. और कभी कभी हम
यही कहा था ना उससे.
several times जो हुआ है maximum, there also we use the simple past. Sometimes they went out for a meal. Something that used to happen several times in the past. Here several times in the past, here again used to happen.
Okay.
There is a bit change. Most evenings we used to stay at home. Here it is we stayed at home. Here we used to stay at home and watch DVDs. We used to go for swim every morning. जाया करते थे.
See,
Okay.
this exercise I have given.
Stay at home. रहा करते थे और DVDs देखते थे.
We dash.
Something that would happen a lot in the means
Okay.
जो काफी हुआ.
Reach will come.
Something that would happen a lot in the past. They would often visit the library. They would often means past में ये हुआ होगा. So they would often visit the library in the college. Now we come to the past continuous. We use the past continuous when we are talking about something which happened before and after or a given time in the past. Past में तो हुआ, but आसपास के टाइम पे before or after a given time in the past. Like it was just after 10 I was watching the news on the means thus we are talking about we are given the time and that action happened before or after or around that time. So it is talking about it was just after 10 means अभी 10 o'clock हुए ही थे. I was watching the news on TV. मैं टीवी पे न्यूज देख रहा था. कब? Just after 10. We were playing in the afternoon. हम लोग आफ्टरनून में खेल रहे थे. Yesterday. Sometimes happening before after another action in the past. कोई एक्शन हुआ और उसके before और after ये एक्शन हुआ तब भी हम past continuous यूज करते हैं. He broke his leg when he was playing the football. क्या हुआ? When he was playing football, some other action is going on in the past and that time this action happened. So here we also use this. He broke his leg when he was playing the football. Means ये past में हुआ and उसके result क्या हुआ? ये हुआ. She saw the plane as it was landing. Means she saw the plane. Here two past tenses are used, saw and was landing. Because it is a continuous, so here we have to write about the verb की form with ing form with the past tense. Past perfect or past in the past. We use the past perfect when we are looking back from a point in the past to something earlier in the past. Like my mom suddenly remembered she had left her purse at home. हम किसी पॉइंट के बारे में याद कर रहे हैं जो पास्ट में हो चुका है. ठीक है. और एकदम हमें वो याद आया. Earlier means we are looking back from a point in the past to something earlier in the past. जो बहुत पहले हुआ और जो अभी कुछ earlier हुआ but past में हुआ. That means we are talking about that past perfect. My mom suddenly remembered she had left her purse at home. Means she suddenly remembered. उन्हें थोड़ी देर पहले याद आया. She had left her purse at home. Means ये जो एक्शन है this has happened earlier. पहले हुआ but उनको याद अभी आया पर वो भी थोड़ी देर पहले आया. That means earlier in the past and looking back point in the past. When we had done all our shopping we caught the bus home. When we had done all the shopping हमने जब सारी शॉपिंग कर ली we caught the bus home. Means तब हमने बस घर के लिए ली. ये भी पास्ट में हुआ बट ये पहले हुआ. ये बाद में हुआ बट दोनों एक्शंस जो थे वो पास्ट में ही हुए. एक अर्लियर हुआ और एक लॉन्ग बैक. Romit wanted to lift the trophy but he had not trained himself well. Romit wanted to lift the trophy but he had not trained himself well. उसने अपने आप को ट्रेन नहीं किया था अच्छे से बट वो ट्रॉफी लेना चाहता था. बट दिस एक्शन हैज बीन डन पॉइंट इन द पास्ट एंड दिस ही वांटेड अर्लियर एंड दिस इज द रिजल्ट ऑफ दिस एक्शन. सो हियर वी आर talking about looking back from a point in the past to something earlier in the past. Romit would have lifted the trophy if he had trained himself well. Now the same line has been changed. Here it is negative and here it is positive sense. Means he would have lifted the trophy. वो ट्रॉफी ले लेता अगर उसने अपने आप को अच्छे से ट्रेन किया होता. Both the actions have been done in the past, but one is earlier and one is point in the past. So that means then we have to use the past perfect, the future in the past. When we talk about the future,